Hi guys, it's Julie Christina and I'm back to you with another video, and this video is on Passion Twist. I got this hair from Amazon. The hair is called, of course, Passion Twist. Within the pack, you do get a crochet needle. You do get rubber bands and decorative for the Passion Twist, and 6 individual packs of hair do come within the pack. The color that I have is T350. You guys, in the background, you will see my niece and my stepson and my dog. I apologize for that, but they were in the shot. But this is the hair out of the pack. It is some gorgeous hair. You guys, this is my client. She allowed me to install this hair on in her head. I am not a professional. I am not a professional. I am a beginner at this, but she wanted to try it. I asked her. She said she'll allow me to try this on her hair. This is me parting the hair. I am using less jam just to separate each section and to get them right. The rubber bands, I did soak them in oil, tea tree oil, and that's just to help soften the rubber band, to help with breakage and everything. So basically, I'm going to go through each section, part it off, and put a rubber band on each section of hair. Okay, you guys, this is the hair parted off, and each section is together with the rubber band. She is natural, so that's where the poofiness is coming from. And in this section, I'm going to show you how I actually do the passion twist. I actually take 2 strands of hair out of the bundle and I fluff out those 2 strands by running my nail down the middle of the hair. But I do it an easier way at the end of this video. But like I said, this is my first time trying it, and this is what I did. I actually took my nail, ran down the middle to separate each end section of the hair. Okay, right here you will see me take the crochet needle, put it underneath the rubber band, grab the hair, pull it through. I'm going to stick my fingers within the loop, grab her hair, half of the passion twist hair that's in the other hand, and I am basically going to pull it through, lock it in place, and I am going to begin twisting. And it's simple as that. Very simple. Okay, basically I fast forward this to the end. I am gonna actually finish this out in kind of fast motion. I speed the video up because it is repetitious. And one thing that I will say is that this is a very easy install. I think the longest part that it took for me was the actual parting. And what I would suggest is that I will use smaller parting spaces across the front of the hair versus the back. That's just to make everything more seem more fuller. I would make it a little bit more fuller by adding more smaller parting spaces across the front of the hair. Okay, I'm actually on the last twist. So I'm going to go ahead and finish that out. And then you will see me trimming the ends of the hair because some of the ends, um, you don't have to trim the ends, but just for me to make it more neater, I decided to go ahead and trim the ends. And right here, I am putting mousse all over the hair. That's just to make her hair and the passion twist hair. It just molds everything together and just make it more gorgeous. And I am also going to do her edges as well. On this section, you will see that I use hair jewelry on the hair, and it came out pretty good. You guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. I do have a few pictures at the end. Please, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get back with you. Please thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Again, you guys, thank you so much for watching.